Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. Already in my previous session, I completed introduction part of alcohol and classification of alcohol and nomenclature of alcohols. So already 3 concepts are completed from the alcohol chapter, and today onwards we will start preparations of the alcohol. Especially preparation of alcohol is very important in board level as well as the NEET level also. Okay my dear students. So now we will start preparations of the alcohol. General methods of preparation of alcohol. So this is a complete information about the preparation of the alcohol. In general methods of preparation of alcohol. For monohydric alcohol, how we will prepare monohydric alcohol? For monohydric alcohol, by the hydrolysis of haloalkanes. So important point my dear students. Monohydric alcohol, it can easily to prepare hydrolysis of haloalkanes or alkyl halides. So the first of all, monohydric alcohol preparation by the hydrolysis. Which one is hydrolysis? Either KOH, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and silver hydroxide. So by the hydrolysis of haloalkanes with KOH, NaOH and moisture AgOH, it can easily to obtain the monohydric alcohol. So the first one is how we will prepare monohydric alcohol. First step is by the hydrolysis of haloalkanes. See here, this is a general representation equation. RX is nothing but alkyl halide or nothing but haloalkanes. Alkyl halide reacted with hydrolysis with KOH and to form, see carefully here, in between R to X, in between the bond is cleavage. This X is connected to the K. Then KX is formed. Potassium halide is formed. After that, this R directly connected with the OH group. ROH, alcohol group is formed. This is the general representation equation. Especially now we are going to discussing a preparation of monohydric alcohol. See here, alkyl halide reacted with metal hydroxide, OH group, only one OH group. It is nothing but monohydric alcohol, and along with potassium halides are there. Potassium metal halides are formed. This is the general representation equation. After that, example. Here R is nothing but ethyl bromide, C2H5Br, ethyl bromide reacted with or hydrolysis with KOH. Now in between K to OH cleavage is there. It's nothing but break the bonds. Similarly here C2H5 break the bonds. Now here break the bond means potassium have positive charge. Here bromine have negative charge. So now what happened here? C2H5 directly connected with OH group. Here C2H5 is a plus, OH is the minus. So here OH group directly connected with C2H5. After that, this plus K plus Br minus is separated. So my dear students, ethyl bromide reacted with or hydrolysis with KOH. ethyl alcohol and potassium bromide is formed. This is the general representation equation. This is with examples. Okay, ma? So see carefully, for monohydric alcohol, it can easily to prepare with the help of haloalkanes by the hydrolysis of KOH, NOH and moisture AgOH. Already here I mentioned clearly, this is ethyl bromide is a haloalkanes and potassium hydroxide, ethyl alcohol and potassium bromide is formed. And one more example, CH3, CH2, I. What is this compound name? Two numbers carbons are there. That's why ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide reacted with silver hydroxide. Ethyl iodide, same concept, same process is going on here also. Ethyl iodide reacted with silver hydroxide. Now what happened here? Ethyl alcohol, same cleavage in between of the silver and the hydroxyl group, cleavage is there, and similarly in between of the iodine and ethyl group also cleavage is there. So you know, electrophile connected with nucleophile, nucleophile connected with electrophile. So ultimately what is the product is obtained here? Ethyl alcohol, silver iodide. Ethyl alcohol, silver iodide. And one more example, see here, number of carbon atoms are 3. So chloropropane. Chloropropane, this compound name is CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, chloropropane. Because of haloalkanes, means first initially chlorine group or halogen group is coming, that's why chloropropane. Chloropropane is one of the alkyl haloalkane group. It's reacted with the sodium hydroxide. Now what alcohol is formed here? 1, 2, 3. Propane 1-ol. Propane 1-ol alcohol is formed. These are all of the generally monohydric alcohol. You know that very well. What is the monohydric alcohol? If only single OH group directly attaches to the aliphatic hydrocarbons, that is called monohydric alcohol. So see, keep it in your mind, my dear student. For monohydric alcohol preparation, the best method is the hydrolysis of haloalkanes. Hydrolysis of haloalkanes. So now my question here, how to prepare monohydric alcohol? So first one, by the hydrolysis of haloalkanes with the help of the metal hydroxide, either KOH or NOH or AgOH. Okay, ma? This is the monohydric alcohol preparation methods. After that, here very important note is there. Very, very important note. You know, 1 degree haloalkanes, listen carefully, already I said haloalkanes, it can easily to give alcohol with the help of the hydrolysis of potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and AgOH. But in this note is most important, for 1 degree haloalkanes, 1 degree haloalkanes is always to give good alcohol. Keep it in your mind, my dear students. This is the most important point. What kind of haloalkanes always to give good alcohol means 1 degree haloalkane. For example, this is 1 degree haloalkanes, this is also 1 degree haloalkanes, this is also 1 degree haloalkanes. Why it's called 1 degree haloalkanes? Halogen group directly attaches to first carbon. This carbon only attaches to one more carbon. That's why these are all examples are belongings to the 1 degree haloalkane. Okay, my dear students, 1 degree haloalkanes always to give good alcohol. Keep it in your mind, it's the most important point. And second point is 2 degree haloalkanes give mixture of alcohol, mixture of alcohol and alkenes. Listen carefully. If 2 degree haloalkanes involved in the hydrolysis process, alcohol is formed, and along with the byproduct is alkene is formed. Later we will discuss examples. See here, 1 degree haloalkanes only to give single alcohol, good alcohol, but 2 degree haloalkanes, if the 2 degree haloalkanes involved in the hydrolysis, alcohol with alkenes are formed. This is the most important point, my dear students. If 2 degree haloalkanes involved in the hydrolysis, alcohol along with alkene groups are formed by dehydrohalogenation. What is the process here? Dehydrohalogenation. So 2 degree haloalkenes involved the dehydrohalogenation to form alcohol and alkenes. And third one, 3 degree haloalkanes give only alkenes, not alcohol. This is the most important points, my dear students. In the preparation of monohydric alcohol, 1 degree haloalkanes, 2 degree haloalkanes only to give alcohol. 3 degree haloalkanes does not give alcohol, just they will produce the alkanes only. See again this note, important note, my dear students. 1 degree haloalkanes only to give alcohol, 2 degree haloalkanes by the dehydrohallucination process to give alcohol and alkenes, and 3 degree haloalkanes to give only alkenes. It's clear, ma? Here also by dehydrohallucination method. Now one by one example now we will discuss. 1 degree haloalkanes always to give alcohol, good alcohol. See here 1 degree haloalkanes. See here chloroethane, CH3 CH2 Cl, chloroethane. Because of this is 1 degree haloalkanes, already I said 1 degree haloalkanes is always to give single alcohol. See here chloroethane reacted with KOH or NaOH or AgOH. So chloroethane reacted with KOH. Now what happened here? Ethyl alcohol. Additionally metal chloride is also formed. It's nothing but salt. Metal chloride is also formed. But basically alcohol is formed. It's a clear, ma? 1 degree haloalkanes is always to give alcohol along with salt. This is not required because of it's a byproduct. So basically 1 degree haloalkanes always to give alcohol. Now one more example, see here. If CH3 CH2Br, CH3 CH2Br plus NaOH, what is the product here? Br means CH3 CH2Br, bromoethane and NaOH, bromoethane reacted with sodium hydroxide. Here what happened? Same product is formed. Ethyl alcohol is formed and NaBr, sodium bromide is formed. This is the 1 degree haloalkanes. Listen, my dear students, 1 degree haloalkanes is always to give good alcohol. And second one 2 degree haloalkanes. Already I informed here clearly. 2 degree haloalkanes to form alcohol and alkenes. 2 degree haloalkanes. Already I mentioned here clearly. 2 degree haloalkanes to give mixer, combination of not only alcohol along with alkenes also formed here. So mixture of alcohol and alkenes. See this compound name is 2 degree haloalkenes. Because of the halogen group attaches to middle carbon, this middle carbon again attaches to the left side one carbon, right side one carbon. That's why is a 2 degree haloalkanes. This compound name is 2-bromopropane. Because of the bromine substituent is attaches to the second carbon, 2-bromopropane is a 2 degree haloalkanes. Whenever reacted with or hydrolysis with any metal hydroxide, either KOH or NaOH or AgOH, ultimately what products are formed here? Here also 2 degree alcohol is formed. 2 degree alcohol. This is the 2 degree alcohol is formed, and additionally alkene group is also formed here. So 1, 2, 3, 2 degree alcohol along with alkene groups is formed. Okay, my dear students, this is a very important key point. 2 degree haloalkanes is always to give 2 degree alcohol along with alkene group. Okay, ma? After that, see here 3 degree haloalkanes. 3 degree haloalkanes only to give alkene. 3 degree haloalkanes only to give alkene. See 3 degree haloalkane. See here, this is the 3 degree haloalkane. Because of this halogen group attaches to this carbon again attaches to this 2 carbon. So this is the 3 degree haloalkenes reacted with sodium hydroxide. See carefully here, only alkene groups are formed, only alkene groups. There is no alcohol group. So my question right now in commutative exam point of view, in the following, which one of the haloalkanes does not to give alcohol. 3 degree haloalkanes does not give alcohol, but 1 degree haloalkanes and 2 degree haloalkanes, it can easily to give alcohol. Okay, my dear students, this is the first preparation method, first general preparation method of the alcohol for monohydric alcohol. Again, see carefully. In the preparation of monohydric alcohol, the first method is the hydrolysis of the haloalkanes. 1 degree haloalkanes is always to give alcohol. 2 degree haloalkanes to give mixture of alcohol and alkenes. 3 degree haloalkanes to give only alkenes. This is the first one by the hydrolysis of haloalkanes. This is the first methods of preparation. And second, one more method, alcohol preparation, one more method. By reduction of, see, it is the most important, by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. So not only alcohol are prepared not only from haloalkanes, even carbonyl compound also by the reduction process it can easily to form the alcohol. So here second preparation method of the alcohol is by the reduction of carbonyl compound. So see here, carbonyl compound such as, what are the carbonyl compounds? Aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid and ester. These are the carbonyl compound. Because of C double bond O group is present here in this functional group. That's why carbonyl compound such as aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid and ester can be reduced to alcohol with the help of reducing agent. What are the reducing agent here? Lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borate, sodium NaBH4, and in the presence of nickel and platinum catalyst, presence of hydrogen. So important point, my dear student, in the preparation of alcohol by using of carbonyl compound, what are the reducing agent here? LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, and NaBH4, and the catalyst are nickel and platinum, nickel and platinum catalyst by the reduction of carbonyl compounds. What are the carbonyl compounds? Aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and esters. But here what are the reducing agents used in this process? Lithium aluminum hydride, NaBH4. What are the catalysts are used? Nickel or platinum catalyst, presence of hydrogen gas, in the presence of hydrogen gas. First of all, reduction of aldehyde. First one, reduction of aldehyde. If the reduction of aldehyde in the presence of hydrogen gas, in the presence of hydrogen gas, any aldehyde, the reduction of aldehyde in the presence of hydrogen gas, 1 degree alcohol are formed. This is the most important. Reduction of aldehyde in the presence of hydrogen with the help of nickel or platinum catalyst or lithium aluminum hydride reducing agent. So 1 degree alcohol is formed. See here, RC double bond OH. This is the aldehyde general formula, aldehyde general formula plus H2. So what is the reaction mechanism? The aldehyde group whenever reacted with the hydrogen, how we will form alcohol? See carefully mechanism. See my dear student, here carbon to oxygen, see carefully, carbon to oxygen double bonds are there. It means 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bonds are there. If in between carbon to oxygen, oxygen is the highly electronegative element. That's why it's received this pi electron shifting to the oxygen. This pi electron shifting to the oxygen. Pi electron shifting to the oxygen means what happened here? Carbocation is formed because of deficiency of electrons are present on the carbon. So this pi electron shifting to the highly electronegative element of the oxygen, hence carbon contain carbocation. So carbocation means here required the electrons, here extra electrons are there. So immediately here extra electrons means what happened? This hydrogen gas directly attaches to the carbocation, directly attaches to the carbocation. After that this H here break the bonds, here break the bonds means here minus, here positive is formed. So this positive the electrophile directly attack to the nucleophile. That's why these two are combined together, hence OH group is formed. So ultimately see reaction mechanism, in between of C double bond O, the pi electron shifting to the highly electronegative element of the oxygen, hence carbocation is formed. In this carbocation, the hydrogen molecule directly attacked to here. After that, R as usual alkyl group, CH2. So this CH2 and OH group is formed. So primary alcohol is formed. Okay, my dear students. So by the reduction of aldehyde, 1 degree alcohol is formed. So this is the general representation equation. Is example ethanol. Why it's called nol? Generally in the IUPAC rules and regulations, aldehyde suffix name is the all. So ethane 1 2 ethanol, CH3 CHO ethanol reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of the same optimum conditions, lithium aluminum hydride, nickel and or platinum catalyst, 1 degree alcohol is formed. What is this compound name? Ethyl alcohol is formed. So the first important key point, my dear students, by the reduction of carbonyl compound, it can easily to form the alcohol. First one is the aldehyde reduction method. 1 degree alcohol is formed. Keep it in your mind. Whenever aldehyde is involved in the reduction with the help of the reducing agent of lithium aluminum hydride, it's always to give the 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol. And second one, reduction of ketone. See, already completed aldehyde. Next carbonyl compound is the ketone. Reduction of ketone. Ketone when reduced with the presence of hydrogen gas or catalyst platinum or reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride to give 2 degree alcohol. This is the most important point, my dear students. Once again I repeated my question right now here. Listen very carefully. Whenever aldehyde involved in the reduction process, what kind of degrees of alcohol is formed? Aldehyde whenever involved in the reduction process, 1 degree alcohol is formed, and ketones whenever involved in the reduction process, 2 degree alcohol is formed. This is the most important key point. Okay ma? See here, this is the ketone. General representation equation of ketone, or C double bond O R. This is the ketone. Ketone reacted with hydrogen, ultimately 2 degree alcohol is formed. This is the 2 degree alcohol is formed. So this is general representation equation. After that example, and involved in the mechanism also. See here, CH3 C double bond O CH3. This compound name is propane 1 on, propane 2 on. Actually propanone. Why is on? Because of ketone group present here, that is called on. Propanone now is reacted with hydrogen. Same mechanism is involved in the like above equation. So what is the mechanism here? The pi electrons migrated to the nearest high electronegative element oxygen. After that the carbon get carbocation. Immediately carbon get carbocation means from the hydrogen cleavage, hydrogen bond, hydrogen to hydrogen cleavage, these two hydrogen directly connected to with carbocation, hence automatically 2 degree alcohol is formed. Okay ma? See here, important point, reduction of ketone. Whenever ketone is involved in the reduction process with the help of the lithium aluminum hydride reducing agent in the presence of hydrogen with the help of the platinum catalyst, 2 degree alcohol. This is the most important key point. Don't forget, my dear student, ketone involved in the reduction process, 2 degree alcohol is formed. Aldehyde involved in the reduction process, 1 degree alcohol is formed. This is a very important. And third one, reduction of carboxylic acid, third carbonyl compound. Already completed aldehyde, and the next one ketone, now carboxylic acid. See carefully, aldehyde to give 1 degree alcohol, ketone to give 2 degree alcohol. Why? Again I repeated this two statement means very important, don't confusion. So third one is a reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid can be reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to give 1 degree alcohol. Don't confusion. Aldehyde, carboxylic acid, both carbonyl compounds is always to give 1 degree alcohol, but ketone only to give 2 degree alcohol. It's clear, my dear students? So now see here, This compound name is carboxylic acid, general representation equation, carboxylic acid. Here 4H, 4H is nothing but our convenience point of view, I mentioned here 4H, actually 2H to the. So 4H in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, so here 1 degree alcohol is formed. Okay ma? See here, this is the carboxylic acid and 4 hydrogens are involved, lithium aluminum hydride, ultimately to form alcohol, 1 degree alcohol and along with water. So this is by reduction of carbonyl compound. Number 1 is the aldehyde, number 2 is the ketone, number 3 is the carboxylic acid. In my next class, we will continue ester reduction process and remaining preparation methods of the alcohol. See once again from starting onwards, general methods of preparation of alcohol. This is the 2 marks point of view as well as 4 marks point of view. Preparation of alcohol is very important. First for monohydric alcohol, see carefully, haloalkanes involved in the hydrolysis process, monohydric alcohol is formed, and by the reduction of carbonyl compounds also monohydric alcohol is formed. So for monohydric alcohol, it can easily to prepare with help of the haloalkanes and carbonyl compound. Haloalkanes means 1 degree haloalkanes, 2 degree haloalkanes only to give alcohol, 3 degree haloalkanes never to give the alcohol. And in this carbonyl compound point of view, aldehyde 1 degree alcohol, ketones 2 degree alcohol and carboxylic acid is also 1 degree alcohol. These are the preparation methods of the alcohol.